Hello everyone, welcome to the 3G Soft Info Consultancy LLP YouTube page. Today we will be discussing about the customer ledger performance and receivable dashboard. This dashboard has been developed in the Power BI. The data source used here is in Microsoft 365 Business Central, and in that we have used customer ledger entry table. We have taken the dump of the customer ledger entry table into an Excel and put up on to OneDrive, and then we have made the connections to visualize the data. Let us quickly discuss what we have showcased in this. We have been given with a button which can be moving with the page navigation, a dashboard page is there, and an executive summary page is there. Apart from that, we have a slicer which is carrying the years. You can select the years based on your filtration. Again, the year is specific to the Jan to December format. Then we have showcased the card level details like the total invoice amount for the selected period, that is 2025, is $79.93 million. Again, we are comparing that with regards to the previous year. It is higher 6.6% as it is reflected in green. And by the total amount, it is higher by it get a growth of $4.95 million as compared to previous year. Similar way, the total credit amount is for this year is selected here 2025 is 8.86 million, which is showcasing a high rise into the credit memo amount, and which is not good for in any of the company. So we have reflected it into a red. Again, the total net sales, it is the total invoice minus total credit amount. So total net sale we are getting is $71.07 million, which is again 1% higher than the previous year comparison. Also, we have put up with the hovers into the lines chart where you can compare the same period last year's data. So here you can see when you hover over to the line chart, you can see that September 2025 data is reflecting $11.08 million of invoicing has been done as compared to the last year's $8 million. So you can see there is a growth of 38.5%, which reflects $3.08 million of growth in total invoicing amount. Similarly, you can check for the total credit memo amount, and you can check for the total net sales amount. Again, we have showcased onto the card the outstanding amount. That value is $18.16 million. And when you hover over it, you can see that month over month how many outstanding amount has been generated for the year 2025. Apart from that, we have given a collection efficiency card which showcase 74.45%. The collection efficiency is the rate of collecting the invoicing amount from the customers. So as we can see that still 1/4 of the amount is into the overdue positions. Apart from that, we have showcased a pie chart which is showcasing you the customer outstanding status distribution. Bifurcation is done that how many customers with outstanding balance are there and how many customers are without outstanding balance are there. So you can see that there are 50 customers which are still having some of the invoices to be paid yet, and they have been outstanding amount in their account. Then we have showcased the receivable aging overview. Here we have drafted the 3 buttons so you can move as per your aging limits. The first one is by default for 45 days. Then you can click on this, and based on that 30 days aging can be checked out. Based on this, you can check with the 15 days aging report. So the red is been all the bars is showcasing the overdue amount. You can check that is overdue amount. Again, the same red symbolic is been given into the expected cash flow overview where you can check, yeah, this total is the overdue amount in this visual. Apart from that, the amount which is not due is expected cash flow in the next upcoming days, which has been bifurcated into the buttons of 0 to 7 days, 8 to 15 days, 16 to 30 days, and 30 plus days. So this you can analyze as per your insights that how much money has to be taken care and how much money is going to be flow in your account of the industry. Apart from that, we have managed to get a sales performance overview where you can check it with the year over year performance. At the top, you are seeing the growth rate into the percentage as compared to same period last year. So here the $4.43 is reflecting 2025 Jan's net sell amount, and based on that the $3.2 million is the same period last year, that is Jan 2024. So as compared to Jan 2024, Jan 2025 is working good with a 36.36 percentage of growth rate. Then into the customers with long outstanding, again we have put up with the buttons where you can have 4 buttons. When you select onto the 3 months, the data of the customers and their expected amount or the overdue amount which has been showcasing is that this all invoices has been due since more than 3 months. If similarly, if you click on the 6 months button, then it will showcase the overdue amount which has been last from the 6 month after it's due date. If you click onto the 9 month, it will showcase you the amount that has to be past 9 months from its due date. So based on that, you can ask your account receivable team to call back to the customers and get your overdues clear. So that's it from our end. We hope this finds you a good, insightful dashboard. Now moving to the second page, that is the executive summary. While you click onto the executive summary, you move to a summary page where you will be having a summary of your report, that what are the concerns to be taken care by the executive level at your industry or in your organization. So this is some of the sort of draft from just a single table of the ERP, customized to get the valuable insights to the executive level CEO, managing directors, and the account receivable teams. So hope you have enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for future updates like this and videos like this and the insights like this with regards to the Power BI and Business Central ERP. To know more about this and to use with your data connectivity, just go to Microsoft App Source and you can download our app and you can connect your data. All the details will be provided into the comment section. Stay tuned with us. Thank you and have a good day to all. Bye bye.